Ocean Tides by Melissa Johnson and Tessa Garcia. Tides are daily changes in the level of ocean water and are caused by the different gravitational pulls of the sun and moon on Earth. This picture shows how the ocean levels move in relation to the moon's gravitational pull. Gravitational forces from both the sun and the moon continuously pull on the Earth. Although the moon is much smaller than the sun, the moon's gravity is the dominant force behind Earth's tides. Tidal forces are the differences in gravitational force of the sun and the moon on Earth. The moon's gravitational pull is greater on Earth than the sun because of its close proximity. Tidal range is the difference between the levels of ocean water on high tide and low tide and depends on the position of the Earth in relation to the sun and moon. Daily tides. High tide is a water level that is higher than the average sea level. Low tide forms in areas between the high tides and are water levels that are lower than average sea level. On the right side of these pictures is an example of high tides. On the left side are examples of low tide. Monthly tides. Spring tides are tides that have the largest daily ranges. They happen when the Earth, Sun, and Moon align together to create a perfect 180 angle. Neap tides are tides that have the smallest daily range. They happen when the Sun, Earth, and Moon align at a 90-degree angle. In many places, there are 2 high tides and low tides in one day. A tidal cycle happens in 24-hour and 50-minute intervals, so that means that every 6 hours and 12.5 minutes, high tides transfer to low tides. Also that it will take 12 hours and 25 minutes for one high tide to go to the next high tide.